Attention! Dark matter reactor ignition sequence has been confirmed. All personnel must evacuate the reactor internal structure immediately. Combustion chamber seal will lock in T-minus 20 seconds. You may be wondering why we must evacuate the reactor internal structure. I raise you this question. Have you ever wondered what it's like to be in a microwave while it is running? Dark matter reactor ignition sequence initiated. Combustion chamber seal has been locked for ignition. Gravitational lasers online, raising core superstructure to center position. The dark matter reactor superstructure has been raised to center position, activating power lasers. Opening combustion intake valves. Power lasers online. Dark matter reactor online. Reverting power back to main facility grid.
Attention all Qserf personnel, this is a friendly reminder that we are having a mandatory lockdown drill tonight at 10:30 p.m. I repeat, we are having a mandatory lockdown drill at 10